broad axe here in first 10 to 20 minutes and get my plan together.
What's up, everybody? Good morning.
Good morning, Will.
Good morning, brother.
Market is open.
Ding, ding, ding.
Here we go.
Ding, ding, ding.
Yeah, first couple levels in ES I got. One is right here at 45, which is an hourly trend line. And then below that, you got like 41, 42. Could be support. So
Tesla back over 400. Did test a big order box for yesterday.
if you kind of take out this area, I'd look for 68.35 as your support level for ES.
If you take the gamma and find the flip level and you weight it by the strikes, by the moneyness, so the closer to the money ones are weighted higher, that checks flip level. We rejected it. Right now it's at 24.88. 24,880 on thank you. Yeah, the vanilla, I guess, is at 974.
So far out of the gate, banks weak down 1%. Regionals again down 0.8. Oil weak. So.
ES is making new lows. NQ is not. Lion is
Expect SPY to retest yesterday's lows from here for sure.
Yeah, losing this 796 area. Just tapping into that London low. It's also 50% this morning range.
Good morning, Casey.
Morning, Casey.
Morning, Casey.
Yo.
SPY was in a 30-minute squeeze to the downside around 9 a.m. and it just fired.
By the way, there's green to red.
Watch for bouncy right here on SPY near this previous day low area.
And should have got low.
Let's see if Valdi and ValdiQ are going to work today. As of right now, it looks like a no.
It's ricocheted off of either the high, previous day's high or low, like the last, basically 2 or 3 days in a row.
Looks like trader stepped in pretty quickly on that.
By the way, Zeta reports earnings tonight. Fuck yeah.
I just realized I was muted on Spaces and when I took that short.
Mincy is muted.
And I was like, did you guys hear me? And everybody's just talking over me.
We do not hear ya.
We got you now.
Yes, we do.
Yeah, well, I shorted, so.
Heard that. Nice move to London.
Let's go. Keep flushing. Come on. There we go. Gilmore out.
Wait, this is looking to go see that previous day low for sure.
Damn it, and I was like short from earlier. Way early.
Unusual strength for a chip named Qualcomm. Minus AMD, was one of the stronger chips.
Going for yesterday's low. 660s.
Rocket Lab is starting to break through a trend line.
Let's go.
Huge displacement to the downside right into the open.
VIX at 22. We're starting the day off at, well, it's about to be 22. We're starting the day off at 22. Did we get into the 24 to 26 range today?
Where's ES on this? ES is already set a takeout.
About to hit previous day low on SPY.
Yeah, it was weaker this morning. So that makes sense.
It's like I'd be tempted to go long right here, but I feel like I might just get ran over, but at the same time, I'm getting my calls pulled up.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get wrecked if I try to long this.
Let's see.
Yeah, Casey. The thing is, if we lose 680s area on a spot,
Oh, it's night.
it gets gnarly.
Yeah, it's night time for SPY if that happens. There's previous day low on SPY. Q still has a little bit of a ways to go.
Yeah, but it took it.
I got the long at 32, trying to go shelf to shelf to 60s. I'm gonna put my stop in profit quickly if I can. Or I'm gonna get stopped out right here. I did. I'm flat.
You.
What's up?
You.
Whew, damn.
That was a good stop out.
Session low from yesterday is coming close.
Yep, yesterday's low is 24,668, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna bite the bullet here.
He's going all in.
I'm going all in, baby.
Mm-hmm. By the way, IWM's holding up pretty well. It's actually flat. Now it's trying to get higher. That's an interesting one to see. VIX is at 22.
Honestly, if we can continue to flush down to 616 fast for 600, it'll be a nice place for a long. FMAT.
Yeah, I agree.
Netflix and Microsoft are holding up.
Citron is short Sandus.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wait, what happened?
Citron short report on Sandus.
Citron sucks. Okay. Ooh, by the way, IGV is actually ripping. That's tech and software. I think a buy's coming very soon here. May have already happened. Microsoft, Netflix. We have.
bang bang, trimming the futures.
Yep, there you go. Microsoft new high a day. Netflix new high a day. Tesla new high a day. IGV is ripping.
But oh my goodness, I'm out half of my ES long. Trimming SPY calls. Oh.
Yeah, IGV is fucking ripping. Holy shit.
I got the last opportunity I could have there.
Trim.
I'm all out 30 handles.
We did it again.
Wow.
Microsoft ripping. Oh, look at this candle, baby. Oh my god.
I was looking at it. It was in the same spot I first loaned it at. I was like,
Oh.
I'm only gonna grab it if this
I'm
turns
out
red for a second.
I'm out majority of SPY calls here. Holy shit, new high of day.
Big time, baby. Good job.
Damn.
Yep. There was definitely signs there for sure.
We swept previous day low, and I just bought the dip again.
And that was the sign, baby.
That was the sign. Holy shit, 320 on these?
He said, I'm just gonna send it.
Dude, from 68.30 on ES to 68.50. I'm all out, and I'm going to have runners on SPY now.
So this opening candle, 30-minute SPX, off previous day high yesterday, liquidity grab. Today, previous day low, liquidity grab on the open. That's some tricky shit.
2 days in a row. I was just so early on my first trades, and then I managed to get back in.
Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Ooh, IGV is on a cooker right now. Oof.
I realized I misspoke before. I remember that 5-minute candle went red again. I grabbed it, so my average is like 7.
What is the biggest thing of IGV, by the way? Do we know? We actually looked it up. IGV.
I can actually tell you that. I think Evan posted it.
Yes. Let me see this. Okay, so okay. Well, that makes sense. Microsoft.
Holy shit, I'm all out spot.
Microsoft is the biggest one, and Microsoft was ripping right there. Microsoft, Palantir, CRM, Oracle, Intuit, App, Adobe, PanW, Crowd. Those are like the biggest names. And look,
I'm gonna stop up on Microsoft to secure a green trade on the call screen.
Our boy in the chat, Ivan, is be agreeing with us, Casey. Took that down there too.
Let's go, great job.
dude, IGV is mooning.
We're headed to value area high right now.
I'm about half Microsoft here at $315 on the contracts. Stop at entry.
See what happens if we reject value high. This looks like we can expand though. If we do get an imbalance, I think it'll be to the upside.
What a freaking long.
That grab is uber bullish. Execution could have been better, but it's okay.
What? Look at these two candles on SPY.
Ripping.
Oh, what a freaking entry, dude. What a freaking entry.
We need a zigzag off of value area high, and I'm going to buy, and we're going to make new high there. Or are we just going to break through?
Listen, if IGV, every time I said this is if IGV is up, the market has gone up with it. I mean, tech/software has been so beaten down.
The market is not impressed with AMD.
Yeah, I know. They gave it all up basically. They gave up like they give up like 50 to 60% of the move though so far from the gap up.
You know, I'm not seeing mentioned as much is that the deal includes warrants to buy 10%.
Yeah, correct.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Interesting.
So when I read that, they could get it up until $600 on AMD, or it locks in more when AMD hits 600.
It's warrants, so they can buy the shares based on how many gigawatts they could pull.
Okay.
So basically, every gigawatt they get more.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
And they're warrants, so I mean they don't have to buy them.
Yeah, of course.
It's basically it's like we're gonna give you so much business. Buy calls before I pump your company is basically what it is.
Also, fun fact, we're coming to that 890 to 900 area that we rejected all night right here on NQ. Keep that in mind.
I replied to the space with line in the sand, thank you, gamma exposure. We're kind of breaking through it right now. But yeah, some stuff to go off of there. We're gonna grab on your jacks or hold above.
We got conference board, consumer confidence in 15 minutes, Richmond, manufacturing services index, and impulse inventory.
By the way, we rejected VIX 22 again. Obviously, we just broke through that 890 to 890 to 900 level there. We just ripped right through it.
Yeah, so far this looking like an opposite of yesterday.
An opposite.
Previous day high time.
Where do we have that at, by the way, Jordy? Where do we have that, Jordy?
On NQ, 25,040.
Thank you, sir.
That was a 220 point bounce on MNQ off 700.
They swept them up.
Dude, this is insane.
By the way, thank you for that SanDisk news. I grabbed the dip there and $7 a contract on that shit. I love you. I love you, BK.
Yeah, I know those Citron things. They're like, I wonder if Citron like sells and makes their money and on the exact dip when they say they've shorted.
Well, that would be illegal.
Is it though? Because when Warren Buffett alerts files a 13F and it's long and the stock pops, you know what I mean?
It's just their idea.
Hmm.
No, it's one of those gray areas.
Yeah. I don't know.
They didn't lock up Roaring Kitty.
I might end up one and done. I can copy trade that trade, so only one account has activity.
Wow, this is 45 snooze points off the previous day low.
Okay.
That's pretty master.
You know, B-Trade said it
Mm-hmm.
right out of the gate. The same thing we've been doing over and over again. When these previous day levels are tested, risk to reward to play the reactions off of those spots are freaking. It's been easy freaking money. Again, it was nothing more for me, at least on SPY. It swept any previous day low, and I just calls went long. That's really it. Until proven otherwise, I mean, it's just doing the same thing over and over again.
I'm trying to pass this damn Vest account. I can't trade futures and find equities at the same time.
Yeah, this is kind of an interesting spot right here on SPY too. This is like midway of yesterday's range. It's kind of the top of the volume shelf. It's key 50 on one of the charts I look at a lot.
I couldn't agree more. The last one contract that I just had on the small account, I just closed up here because I do have area of resistance. I think we can see a decent pullback right here. But the SPY calls, I had 688 for February 23rd, $110 per contract gain.
48.
I just got an alert on Microsoft. Let me see. Yeah. No, that one already went off.
There it goes. almost 20 points stops in profit. There's 7 points. There's 20 points.
It's 50 points on ES for the long, if anyone took it with me.
Taken out in profit right there. I did that like shit. I should have just taken out that 20. Yeah, damn it. Okay, if I'm gonna be that off the money, I should probably take that.
So you're watching Qualcomm from that relative strength. It's now 4.1% up. Daily is working into a gap that ends at 148.89.
All right. Getting bought right back up. ES back tested value area high.
Apple's up 3%. Look at her go. Creepy.
I'm gonna momentum long scale first at 23. Stop as a break of the wick. Stop break even. Give us a bit more room. I gotta take my break in.
Okay.
See, this is also kind of the range, midway range, middle of the range from the last 3 months. I don't know. Could have caught the bounce off of yesterday's lows. I didn't catch that. But I'm not super interested at this level.
Tapping into this 5-minute gap. We should, if bulls are going to continue this, we should respect this.
Yeah.
Gap.
IGV weaker. IWM could possibly dip too. I'm just kind of watching here.
Kept them rejecting 940s. I think that's women
Might
high.
have sold top there. Should have flipped it short for a little scalpy scalp.
Something.
Yeah, so you know, something.
Yes, is back in value. Yeah, dipping a bit more.
Oh, IGV's getting killed.
Stop, it's already dead.
He's
Hmm.
dead already.
See if they bounce it here, bring it down a little bit more to retest. Hell of an exit.
Should be also not long and again at 72s.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Ooh. I just got into IWM shorts, and that was perfect timing. I may have to trim those already. Shit.
Telling me that was a short. And there's your back test.
I got that 71. Oh, dear me. Okay.
What?
Yeah.
What a freaking chart, man. Oh my gosh. Here's your 5-minute 9. It's fine, cues.
By the way, look at IGV again. That started the move, and that just ended the move. IDub's trying to hold up. I'm closing the rest of my IWM here in profit.
I didn't shout the buy. It was too quick. I had an 81 again. Stop this below value. It's right there. Actually, I got taken out in profit. I bought it and it went up 10 handles. I do think this is a bouncy bounce spot, but it's being pretty erratic.
Mexico president is considering taking legal action following Elon Musk's comments related to drug cartels. That's interesting.
A lot going on.
See here, still trading in this 5-minute gap. 15 minutes on it, open. Should have some data coming out right now too at 10. Nothing crazy though, I don't think. Nothing easy. Here's a further dip. And just powers into the 15th minute.
And it's the 9 minutes, right?
Yep, I'm gonna wait myself.
It's a 4.2 point beat.
Holy, but
This is beautiful price action. March for SPY to come down here, sweep underneath 682, and then see if they bounce it for a higher low. That like 685 area up there was perfect target upside, and then flip short. IWM is holding up the best out of the three. I believe Vault D is working again, and Vault DQ, both are still positive. Your SPY calls have been above your puts since 938. Did have 2 spikes in puts within the last 6 minutes for the downside move.
You know what bugs me about the core data? Is there every time it comes out, their website crashes. Like you want, it takes like 15 minutes for it to come back and actually load every time they release data. I'm embarrassed for them.
I'm embarrassed for them.
Ooh, what they hit on SPY, 682.03, bouncing a little bit. Already, look at that, flipped it green.
Like who?
The Hulk.
I was waiting for the Missy Elliott.
You have a ceiling on SPY closer to 685, 686. QQQ's at 606, which hit perfectly this morning. And then let's see. You have some down there near 680. A day where the long was to the penny. So levels have been respecting all morning. Big reactions on both areas.
We bounce off the VWAP or what? Yes, doesn't look as good as in Q.
His Tesla on VWAP, that's something you want. Slightly over middle of board range.
Slow in this gap a little bit. New spot.
There you go.
Mm.
Trying to get some displacement out of this gap.
Looking at Coinbase on that news, I've been not seeing any reaction. Evan just posted that Coinbase is now allowing stock trading.
I just saw that. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Nice displacement up. Let's see if we can get through this 3-minute gap that's above our heads.
Right back down.
Yeah. Right back down.
My thoughts on like broker, becoming a broker for companies and platforms. Like, if there's not something unique to draw people to it, I'm sure a pretty vast majority are already have a broker that they're trading on or have all their money in. So what's the reason to switch? You know.
That's a good take.
And that their fees are probably disgusting, as they are for the crypto.
Yeah, I mean those talk about getting filled and already being down on the spread.
Yeah, disgusting. Not me, that's for sure. Not me. Mm,
We just can't make up our mind at POC.
yeah. IWM's holding 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute 9 EMA. Usually, that should mean IWM goes higher here.
Can I get a mic check?
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you very much.
You're all checked up.
Got some cool stuff coming today. Visited the Defense Museum in China, and can't wait to share this stuff.
Sick.
Honestly, not intimidating.
Honestly, not intimidating. Bro, you're hilarious. Oh my god.
Oh man, it's like
That's funny.
wouldn't even most of this stuff wouldn't even make our museums, to be honest.
Huh. Absolutely. Just you want to get sent back to China, and you want them to beat your ass, huh?
Bro, I escaped communism.
Nice bounce on SPY and PQQ. SPY right here at 682 and Q's at equilibrium. A little bit of a higher low.
Yeah, that IWM, nice there. That should have been a buy for me. 2, 3, 5 minute 9, perfect.
I'm on the retest. I'm already out. Cool.
Apple just absolutely get it.
Yeah, Apple is doing really well here.
I was just.
Is they are mentioning that you can buy your stocks and settle and stuff with USDC, which now has a ticker Circle. So and they report tomorrow. So I don't know. It may be worth watching that IPO slump. It's kind of consolidating.
I grabbed that at 66. 866.
gonna break up the PSC early. Moving my stuff closer. I don't take them out. Okay. And then I'm averaging stuff like that. Apple coming in a little bit. Still holding up well though.
Okay, guys, I'm entering a Iron Condor. Today's expiration. I sold 24,220 puts. I bought 24,170 puts. I sold 25,170 calls, and I bought 25,220 calls for NDX. So basically, I'm below like the previous 3 days lows, and I'm above. Actually, I'm below weeks lows under that, and then I'm above the past like 7 to 8 days highs. So
Dude, I hate when you move an order on Tradebait and it would get filled, so it just rejects the order and doesn't move it. Grinds my gears.
IWM is holding up very nicely compared to SPY and Q.
yes, it is.
It's good. Okay, sectors. Your home builders are your strongest. I think Home Depot released their earnings, I believe.
They did. They were good this morning,
Okay.
from what I saw at least.
Yeah,
Okay.
so probably a few sympathy moves over there on some other home builder names as well. XLI and XLK seem to be leading. XLY is the strongest sector outside of home builders right now. Tessie's holding up decent.
We rejected 87s right there again.
KMD giving back just over half of that move now, just at a back test rejection coming lower. Off to 21.
Don't it.
Google back at the lows. Meta. Bouncy, a little bit off the low. Amazon actually just made a new high day on the previous 5-minute candle.
Are we gonna freak out or what here? Keep on this flirt with PLC plus or minus a 20.
We gonna poppy. IWM about to go new highs. IGV is about to be new highs. We gonna poppy.
All DQs pushing.
I'm actually going long Qs right here. We gonna poppy. We gonna poppy. You gonna learn today.
You're gonna
You gonna learn today.
I hit what I wanted to on corrupt, so I'll try this on options.
Oh yeah. Okay. I am long QQQ tomorrow expiration. Oh, what the hell?
What the hell?
QQQ tomorrow expiration 6:05 calls. So 2:25 is the expiration.
Could feel that 83 on the 612s.
There we go. We also have IWM going new highs a day. Oh, sorry, it already did. Yeah, it for me, I went long. I went long Qs because of IGV, and then I saw IWM already going for it. So kind of gave me extra confluence there. We're also kind of holding nice CMAs. Look good. Look good.
I got 30%.
I'm going to trim here. I'm up $45 a contract. Trimming here at 405.
I got 16%.
Beautiful.
With how green I am, that's more than enough. I just don't feel the need to put on this.
Oh yeah, baby. You gonna learn today.
Camera flip is at 24,976.
So this resistance on SPY is your high from Tuesday, February 17th. After that, your high from February 13th of 685, 686.27.
We gonna rip. Yeah, we are.
Here we go.
Say that 16. Ooh. Look at IGV. Just got new highs.
I could have traded this 3 more times.
I'll be back in 2 minutes.
Hasn't been released yet, but it will be soon. They're about to do it.
Mm-hmm.
If we go to yesterday's one, it's should be complete mirror of yesterday.
And there we go, SPY new high day.
And Q's about to do. Ooh, it was just about to do it. It's still right there.
New KC indicator went long at 10:05.
The K Dizzle end. And ooh, there it is. There it is.
But the new one that we created, this Pop It Baby.
There she blows.
We added in stop loss lines.
There we go. I trimmed again for $85 a contract. Mm-hmm.
There's 19 bits.
Squash can make you smile.
What the hell? I actually never heard that one.
What? VeggieTales? Get out of here. What?
What a.
Don't tell me you never watched VeggieTales growing up as a kid, Nuts.
I don't actually know if I even heard of that. Is that bad?
No, I never heard of it either.
Yeah, good. Fuck you, Casey. Yeah.
You guys are nuts.
I actually. Yeah, I've never heard of it. VeggieTales.
Did you find out about this?
As a kid. Dude, VeggieTales is old school. You guys had a terrible childhood. You don't know VeggieTales?
Intel orb high break to 45.
And SPY 686.27. It just hit to the penny. We just mentioned that for target upside. Above 685. That next high. There was no TV or radio when you were a child. No comment.
I don't have heat right now. That's kind of the same thing.
Yo, I just experienced a whole new kind of cold. Minus 23 degrees.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, that's
Minus 23 degrees.
Without wind. Yeah, with the wind, it was even crazier. That was in.
so that's not the feels like, that's the outside.
Yeah, outside, minus 23. Feels like minus 30 something.
Where was that? China?
Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. It's like up and arm. Insta cold.
Was someone paying you to go be in that cold? Because that's the only way I'm doing it.
No, but I was getting paid while I did it.
Suddenly New York don't sound so bad.
All right. Well, if you took the long again or for the break, definitely a trim spot here on SPY and QQQ. Qs just went back over previous month low. Previous day high is right above at 608. And again, SPY is at that next target upside.
Okay. I am watching for shorts very soon. Question is when? I mean, we may have just hit it at the 25,026. Also, 10:30, you usually see a little opposite direction move or maybe like a little trend change. Let's see. Could be right around here.
I'm curious to see if we just go to that gap we left on NQ from Sunday night.
Where's that?
Starts at 25,036 and goes till 78.50.
Okay. Okay.
It has not been filled yet. I think we could just, and that's why too, like even off previous day high, I don't necessarily think it's a full reversal from there. If we're gonna go fill this gap, we'd have to shoot like 40 points above to fill that gap.
Yeah, QQQ for the gap that I see would take it to 608.69. So another dollar higher on QQQ from here.
Yeah.
I just posted the SPY chart there in the nest, the top of the space. The indicator that we created for fun on the Friday live stream. Again, just been working on that over the weekend. Last night, I added in automatic little red stop loss lines on the chart once it does signal, and then also had it add in some blue key levels on the chart. You'll see those automatically pop up on the chart, and you will see it just went 1 for 1 on SPY today with the buy signal, with the stop loss, and hitting those targets upside. Let's go.
Big time.
Let go.
And plug that in.
I know. I need your guys' help. I'm stupid, and I've gotten this far, and it's actually decent. But
It's so easy to like add stuff. Like if you're, your target and stop loss, if you're like, I want this to be a customizable thing based on the current ATR. Or
yeah,
it's just like your wish is my command. It's like boom.
I was using ChatGPT last night to figure out for stop loss and targets and putting these levels on here, and also for the signal itself. In order to signal is one thing that I'm kind of having trouble with, to get rid of some of the smaller signals, is based off of the size of the candlestick. the math that it uses within the code from like the open, the low, the high, and the close on the third candlestick for it to form the reversal. I'm not smart enough to go into the code and mess with all that and do the math. I tried my best last night, and so far it seems to be doing decent. But yeah, I mean, once I tweak it a little bit more, definitely would like to send it over to you guys and have you guys check it out, see what we can do.
IWM taking a dip here.
I feel like ChatGPT is the only AI that can reliably do the code for trading view, the PineScript language.
So actually, we have our comps on that. ChatGPT is the worst. Gemini 3.1 is currently the best, other than our internal tool.
No way. I didn't know that.
It's the best at like creating like stuff like that, you're saying?
Correct implementation, yeah, on PineScript and validated code.
Interesting.
I think closed underneath that level. Watch for a move down right here.
There's a little dip. Not something I wanted there. I didn't really see like true price action for me to grab it, but little cool back. IWM's getting beat more than Q's is. IWM's down 70 cents right there. IGV with upper wicks. If IGV weakens again and IWM weakens more, I'm going to short Q's off of that.
Yeah. Let's go through the watch list. Anything moving decent today? Nike's having a decent morning. How's Snow doing after it got annihilated yesterday? Trying a little bit. Well, depending on how this candlestick closes in a minute and 40 seconds, there might be a sell signal on it. IWM's 5-minute candlestick pattern is already starting to form a little reversal.
Waymo in 4 new cities. Or it's starting rides in 4 new cities. I think they're already announced.
IGV holding, IWM holding.
We're pushing Qs back over the previous month low level. SPY is still underneath of it. I just don't like the candlestick. It needs to be more red body for it to signal.
Intel kind of looking good for swings on the daily.
I had that on a top watch as well. I think it looks really good. Let me see.
Okay, IWM weakening, but but IGV is still holding up.
I have a little like SR flip zone down there, all 43, and then your daily 50 SMA as well. I mean, stock's up 3.5%. It's looking good. IWM, that is an evening star right there. SPY and Qs, not so much.
Yeah.
So I do like that RTY short here.
IWM's the only weak one.
Yeah.
As of now. As of now.
All right, I'm gonna skedaddle. I got a lot of coding to do. I've just been having fun on social media, but I have to work.
Sounds good, Joe.
Catch you guys later. Peace out.
Catch you later, brother.
Later, Joe. Tesla. I have some resistance right here. Tesla just hit previous day high. Let me see here.
All right.
IWM
Here goes. Yeah, there goes your continuation on IWM RTY. Next candle red after the evening star. I don't know if it gets more continuation lower the longer that SPY and Qs continue to hold right here and not kind of do the same. They can just flag out and push higher, which means IWM can just bounce off its 5-minute 9, which is only 14 cents below. And then they all three just continue to push back up afterwards. But
listen, IGV is still very strong. I see NQ making new highs here.
Yeah, let me check on that.
I would like to see us go fill this gap on Qs.
I think you're going to get it. I mean,
I think if we
Qs
can, let me see, fill the gap and come up to Friday session highs after that, closer to 610 area, I think you can potentially catch a decent short there next.
Ooh, Sandisk had a 5-minute morning star.
Let me see, SNDK?
Yes. I think it also hit the daily 90 MA, if I'm correct. Let me double check actually right now. It got 1.5 points above it, so yes, basically yes. Wow, they really beat the shit to IWM.
It's still coming lower.
Yeah, it's just about to hit the 5-minute 9.
Nice.
But it fell $1.10. Yeah, here goes Qs.
Let me go put the indicator on IWM and see if it signaled.
New high day.
Sure, it did. Nice. Yep, there's your 5-minute 9 on IWM. SPY Qs flagging out. So that's what I'm talking about. Watch just to see if they do all three bounce right here and just push back up. SPY next target upside is going to be 687.8 and then 689.15. Speaking of SNDK, there was some calls that came in about 20 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago.
What was there now, huh?
Yeah. A lot of core weave calls, 130s for 417, 2026.
They just got a little higher high there and then rejected it. We'll see if they could pull through. IWM still not doing anything special. IGV is actually dropping now with a lower high.
If you like to talk to tomatoes, you must Dude, INTC. INTC, do you know what that means?
Ooh, I just gave back that new high day candle.
Let's see. IWM, the indicator did in fact print a short at 1035.
10 short of 5.
Where is analyzer? I have really only looked at SPY Qs and IWM for this, nothing else. But it should work on all time frames on all stocks. But there's your IWM right there, analyzer with the signal. Just nice little scalp down.
Whew. I got nothing here until I see something that really catches my eye. But I am looking for shorts. I could possibly short it here, but I don't know if it's the best opportunity. So I'd rather wait and miss it rather than anything else. Don't always need to be in a trade. Let those puppies come to you.
Intel cruising up. Watch for like 45.9, 46 bucks. That was first big main target upside once 45 broke after bouncing off the 43 to 43.2 area.
Hey guys, I'm gonna slide out of here, man. Good seeing y'all again.
Sounds good.
All right.
Later, be
I'll let you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
IWMRTY continuing to lower.
Yeah, not pretty. Not pretty. Not pretty.
Let's see.
If I start to see IGV like really dump and Qs is still there, I'm going short.
SPY and Q still consolidating right here.
Yeah, they are.
The only thing I don't like is the 10 and 15 minute setting up right now. But still looks good for higher.
NVIDIA is still pushing a new high day and the bond liquidity is also on the bullish side.
Internal still strong. For anything, if you get a small red candle dip to your 5-minute not on SPY and Qs, probably gets instantly bought up once retested. Yeah, I don't like how the previous 15-minute candle closed on SPY. And the 10-minute just still closed underneath that same level that it can't get a close above.
Okay, I just closed my Zeta calls that I opened yesterday, but I left one open that is literally free. So just gonna let that one ride. See if we get a rip tonight. IGV is dropping here, but I don't see like great. I mean, like Q's is just flat. I mean, I don't know. IGV and IWM don't look good. I can't do it though. I can't do it.
So those of you that like want to try out futures or haven't, Ninja Trader is having a free competition.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, let me post that so you guys can see.
Yeah.
And cash prize it starts next week. I think it's a week long.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like, you don't have to.
Off like the paper trading part of their site, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean it's
Nice.
hang on.
That should bring interest to a ton of peoples.
If you did take IWM or RTY short off the evening star, and that sell signal is coming down to target 2 right now, around 262.50. Intel is
It's unstoppable right now.
I know, I can't chase it now. I wish I was already long this thing. But
Probably
I
gonna
think
catch AMD at this rate. Up on the day.
Wow. Yeah, IWM is dying. Holy schmoly.
It's 10 cents away from that next target upside on INTC.
E.
Damn.
Mama. Smoking a dope in a crock pot.
Close.
I need to add that to the soundboard.
Yeah, that was close. Give it to you.
I always say it the wrong way. And I honestly don't give a shit.
Cooking up dope in the
Yeah,
crock
I always
pot.
say, yeah, I know. I don't know why I say it the other way.
Smoking up dope.
I literally say it every time.
IWM flusher candle target just hit to the downside. I think SPY and Qs should be probably pulled back to that 5-minute 9. It's got to be close. Yeah.
All right, I just shared it for you guys.
Very cool.
It's kind of cool, like seeing your name on the leaderboard and stuff. It's
Yeah.
just for
Oh,
fun.
100%.
Yeah. Plus, you get to test out something, and if you like it, great. If you don't, same thing. So
Well, there's that dip. It didn't give me the best. I didn't really want to take that, so I didn't.
SPX.
all right, guys, I'm off to my Pilates.
Sounds goody. Cheers, Nick. Pilates session.
Cheers, guys. Thank you. Have a good day.
Later, Gator.
Bye.
One day, somebody's gonna say the right thing after later, Gator. Someday.
Is it around the crocodile?
Yes. Gosh. Nobody's said it yet.
I'm looking for this to come in a little bit, but then ride the 5 and ride the 9 and the 21 today. We're gonna trend it. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm looking for. So I have some bids below.
Okay. Coming down. Damn, I missed a shorty. I missed the shorty that I wanted. But it didn't give me the best opportunity, so I didn't take it.
All good. That's right. Yeah, there was no sell signal because it didn't form the candlestick. The only thing is still the same spy level, that 686.28. We haven't really got a break and retest of that, so it's risk to reward still a short up there. But once we get a break and base above that, I think that starts the next kind of wave with the move up. Go like Q's, fill that gap. Your 5 minute 9. I'd be tempted to look for a long right here. Definitely off the 21 if we hit it.
Oh boy.
Oh brother.
He's buying the dips, Casey. Actually, he was buying the highs, actually.
Yes. Jeez. I thought I saw something decent this morning. Let me see. Oh my God, how many freaking trades can you take? Let me see. When was the first one? 952. A terrible fucking entry. I mean,
what a terrible fucking entry.
I don't understand. And look, it's not even like on. Like look at the 952. Do you see it in there? The first one?
Give me a second. I have to scroll all the way down.
Dude, like
the 686.
Yeah. All right. Now, okay, 952. Now just go 1, 2, 3 more down at 953. 1 minute later, look at the price.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and then just keeps on, and then let me see, and then where is it at 959? Look at that one. Why? Different strike, different, like why? Completely separate position, still in the 686.
Yeah.
And then look at 1002.
Yeah, I'm looking at that one right now, actually.
Look at it, down to 70. Like, I don't know. Maybe I'm dumb. I mean, and eventually it came back for, 10, 12%. But I don't understand that style of fuckery.
Me either. Me either.
I don't know, Daddy.
30 bones yesterday. Whew.
That was on the low end for some people.
Yeah, that was crazy what you said, May.
Dude, I saw another one too that was just slightly under it, and that's because they had to take their own things afterwards to negate what they were down prior. It was like minus 220 at one point.
Ooh.
And then they came back and got like a decent amount back, honestly, but still.
Yeah, it's pretty fucking disgusting.
It is. All right, is this the buy? What do we think?
5 minute 9.
Yeah.
Very well can be. I don't see anything like breaking down. Now you got IWM actually trying to bounce. IGV still looks but you got IWM actually trying to at least help out in some way or form. 3 minute IWM spinning top. Next candle got above it, and the next candle is also above it right now. 10 minute 9 EMA on IWM as well. Held. It very well could be the boy.
Poppy. I was trying to get contracts pulled up for Qs to get some calls, but
There's 46 Intel.
bang. Look at Intel go.
I hit that new day opening gap.
Yeah.
Should see highs here.
Previous day high, 192.
Yeah, those QQQ calls were at like 210, 215. They just hit 240 on this pop. That was a decent bounce. Were we 130? Yeah, that flow was weird. And Corey still looks decent as well. Might be able to finally get a breakout here on the daily out of this consolidation. And finally get about like 98 to $100. Start moving closer to 105, 106, and then 115.
IWM pull back in, but IGV is getting a nice big candle here. NQ should break out here and go another 30 points.
Well, I will tell you something is trying to print another buy signal right now.
I will be back, and when I get back, I'll probably be wrapping this up and hopping on stream with Ryan and the rest of the boys.
Nope, gotta say amp.
Amp. Gotta say amp.
Ryan.
The Emperador, Maximilian.
Mm-hmm.
You know, great beard.
Mm-hmm.
Some would say the best beard.
Oh yes.
Most.
I've never seen a beard quite like that.
What are those core weave calls at? Or the flow they came in? They started buying them at 510. And they bought some more at 530.
And Q about to be new highs.
Mhm.
There it is. New highs.
They're at 570 now. Nice.
6,900 SPX end of day.
Yeah. Yeah. That was about that 608 spot on Qs, that previous day high. And then the same level for SPY again, the 686 point, like 2830 area.
By the way, I did want to say, shout out to everyone. Make sure you guys are following the speakers. They're all awesome. They're fantastic. Will improve your experience on this app. These guys have been regulars on the live streams. Like Jordan said, it's going to continue. I pinned that tweet up in the nest above. The link to the Wolf Trading YouTube page. That is where you'll be able to find the live stream. A lot of them are going to come hang out with us. Hopefully we get more BK on the live streams. I've been having a good day, good weeks, good times, but the only thing that can make that better is having BK on the live streams.
I agree.
Yes, I want to see that beautiful face.
But I want you guys to all come join us. That, like Jordan said, he's going to close this out a little bit. You should be following all the speakers up here. They're awesome. And that tweet pinned up in the nest above will help you guys get over to the Wolf Trading YouTube where the live stream is going on. Emp is there. Say spaces in the chat. I want Emp to be like, what's happening? So go over there, say spaces in the chat on the Wolf Trading YouTube. That tweet is pinned up in the nest above.
I've been working on a project.